I'm Aaron, application engineer at BBS Automation Chicago. Let's go see some of the great things we're up to here. I'm going to give you an introduction on our current 3D rendering and simulation capabilities and the direction that we're headed going forwards. So one of the great things about BBS Automation is it's consistently investing in their employees. In my personal case, throughout university, I got my master's degree in mechanical engineering, and during that time, I was heavily interested in simulations. This started out with FEA, finite element analysis, branching into linkage design and actually analyzing the motions of them to get the right output that we were wanting. In this case, it was a Walker mechanism, so a nice path going around. This branched into CFD, computational fluid dynamics, where I was hand deriving the Navier-Stokes equations and then simulating them in MATLAB. So when I came to BBS, it seemed like a natural transition to start developing simulation softwares here. BBS gave me the opportunity to interview several companies, and we ended up down selecting a company called Emulate3D by Rockwell Automation. This specific software has an amazing ability to do, let's say, three different categories, three different things for us. One, we're able to demonstrate our concepts to our customer. It's one thing to look at a 2D drawing top down and try to think through how the system works or read the description of how these stations operate. It's a whole other to see a 3D model and a pan around this system and to understand exactly how it works. I think the only problem is you start looking at it and trying to go through the design review at that point. Looking beyond that, we're able to use this software to assist the mechanical design aspect of our design process. A great example of this is on pallet conveyors. It can be difficult to understand how the traffic of these pallets on these conveyors is going to actually look in real time. So we're able to tweak our positions of queue stops and spur conveyors and narrow in on the maximized throughput that we're looking for the system. Now, looking towards the future, we have the potential for digital twins, right? Now, I know this is a buzzword in the industry, but in the case of Emulate3D, this is creating a virtual model of a machine so that we are able to test our PLC code. Now, if you think through that a little bit, if you have our code done in 16 weeks and the system is built in 20 weeks, there's nothing that our controls engineers are doing within those 4 weeks. So we're able to test our code, tweak it, virtually commission it, and run through some debugs that we're able to hit the ground running once we are actually testing our code on these physical systems. This is a beautiful software with a lot of potential, and we're excited to develop it throughout the next couple of years here. Being early isn't luck, it's mindset. At BBS Automation Chicago, innovation is our default.